What is the difference between pirated books and original books? Let's find out. First thing first, from my experience, let me tell you, pirated books वजन में काफी heavy होती है as compared to the original book. I'll just show it to you right now. तो मैंने दो exact same book ली है. This one is pirated and this one is original. और इसका हम weight करेंगे. मैंने कभी weigh किया नहीं है, but right now for all you guys, I will do it. So we have a plastic carry bag. ये है pirated copy. I'm putting it inside, and this is a weighing scale. Here you can see 0, right? Yes. And now I'm weighing this thing. So हम इसका weight देखेंगे, which is, can you see, 0.47. Now let's do the same thing with the original book. इसको हम 0 कर देंगे. And now let's take the original one, pirated one, original one. The scale shows 0 again. It's 34. 100 ग्राम से भी ज्यादा का फर्क है. And the difference is so clear that you really don't need a weighing scale while you go out to buy the book. आप feel करके बता सकते हैं that this is a pirated book and this is not. Next, we will talk about the feel of the book. This book, if you want to read it, आपको थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा इसको खोलने के लिए भी. You know the page. See how it goes back. And when you go to this one, just look at this. You don't have to put efforts like page fold करने पड़ रहे, वो खुद जा रहे हैं. You can hold it with one finger. But here, no sir, one finger won't do. Look. Binding is very problematic when it comes to pirated and original. And the creases that you see here, it is just a proof of bad binding. Original की binding काफी smooth होती है. Just one finger is enough to hold. And read till the last word. नेक्स्ट आते हैं पेजेस पे. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. लोग बोलते हैं यार इसके पेजेस तो बहुत येलो दिख रहे हैं. इज इट इवन ए रियल बुक? इज इट अ पायरेटेड वन? मैं यहाँ से कोई भी बुक उठाऊंगी तो ये सारे येलो पेजेस ही रहेंगे. If I'll show you the back side of my bookshelf, you will see all of them look pale yellow. I'm comparing the same books. This still looks little white, but with your eyes, they will feel yellow. And especially when you'll compare them with the pirated ones, it will be very clear to you. Also, there's a reason why the pages of original book are slightly yellowish. Technically, cream paper reflects less light. So when you're reading for longer time, it will not bring any strain to your eyes. Whereas if you read white paper for a very long time, it will be strenuous to your eyes. And also many publishers use the paper which are specifically designed for novels. And those paper naturally has this warm cream tone. But you should know all original books could have yellowish, creamish, warm pages. But all creamish, warm page book is not an original one. और इतना डिटेल में जाने से पहले ही आप बता सकते हो कि बुक पायरेटेड है या ओरिजिनल because of its cover. This book I got 200 rupees only, whereas the MRP of this is 450 rupees. And when you get something at such a cheap price, start doubting right there. It has pages that feels like original. You can actually hold it with your one finger. And it is also lightweight. It doesn't feel like this one, you see? The print is also good, the lines are proper, the pages are good. And also you can see there is golden shine over here on the name, right? So what is the catch here? When an original book which is printed by a publisher gets little damaged or misprinted or the cover is cut wrongly, so those books are rejected. This is not an original book, but this is a remainder. Only and only the publishers have right to sell it. अगर वो आपको डिस्काउंट में ऐसी बुक्स दे रहे हैं तो it is an original book but it is a misprint. And that is why कहीं कहीं आपको ऐसी बुक्स मिल सकती है in a less price, and that should be by an authorized seller, an authorized bookshop. And it is very rarely sold. Generally, अगर ऐसा तिरछा कटा हुआ कवर है, then 90% chances are that it is a pirated book and not a remainder. I will tell you the easiest way to recognize the pirated copy. Book लो और cover देखो. Do you see the heads? And when you compare it with the original one, you will clearly know that it is not an original one. Also, the cover doesn't feel that good. When you see the original one and when you see the pirated one, there's a clear difference. And also the proportion is somewhere wrong. And most commonly, the print will not look sharp. Even the colors will not look as sharp as the original. And sometimes it also looks kind of blurry. And when you open the book, the text may not be properly aligned. There's no proper alignment, you can see. It's just ending somewhere else. Alignment is the easiest way of finding out whether the book is original or pirated. Let me show you the original one. There's a constant alignment. It is so pleasing to your eyes. I am comparing the same paper quality books. This is original and this is pirate. Generally, paper में काफी difference होता है when it comes to an original book and a pirated book. But sometimes the pages of pirated book can also look very similar to the original book. So at that time, you should just see how the print feels like. Print will be too dark as compared to the original ones. और एक ऐसा difference जो आप खरीदते टाइम तो नहीं पता कर सकते, बट आपको पढ़ने के बाद ही पता चलेगा that pirated books में possibly pages missing हो सकते हैं. With the original one, this book has 385 pages and this book has 335 pages. Where are the 50 pages? And also, there's always a copyright page in every book. I mean every original book, which gives you the information of the publisher, about the copyright, and those pages are hardly found in the pirated copies. सबसे पहला point which should trigger you to question whether it is original or not is its price. So this book I bought from Meesho at rupees 176 and this one I bought from Amazon for rupees 439. अगर 439 rupees की book आपको 176 rupees में मिल रही है, so you cannot expect it to be the original one. और आप अगर किसी shop पर जा रहे हैं और आपको 500 rupees की book 100 rupees में मिल रही है, so there is no possibility that it's an original book. And even if you hear words like original जैसा ही है, it's a first copy, and if someone wants to impress you and say that it's a counterfeit copy, don't get impressed. They all mean pirated copy. Many a times this happens that because of the price difference, we are tempted to buy the counterfeit copy, the pirated copy. But it is not benefiting everyone who has really put efforts into it. किसी ऑथर ने अपने 1 से 2 साल या फिर ज्यादा वक्त डाला है उस स्टोरी को लिखने, then hardly a publisher has accepted it. उस प्रोसेस में भी 1 से 2 साल जाता है. Then the book goes into printing and you get the good copies. Those copies goes to distributor sends it to bookstores and then it reaches you. Now from this chain you can see that why original books are expensive. But when you buy a cheap book which is for 100 or 200 rupees, not even a single penny goes to either the author or to the publisher. So the choice is yours to make. But yes, every cheap book will be a pirated one ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. There are bookstores which sell used books, second-hand books, and sometimes old stock is also sold at a cheaper price. So of course you have to be little alert and aware of how to differentiate between the original and the pirated copy. Honestly, there are no real parameters. कुछ books बहुत easily identify हो जाती है as pirated. कुछ बुक्स को इतना इजीली आप नहीं आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते. I'll tell you one more thing. एक कमेंट आया था कि मीशो पर सारी बुक्स अवेलेबल नहीं होती है. लेट मी टेल यू फ्रैंकली, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस यही रहा है कि जब भी मैंने मीशो से बुक ऑर्डर करी है मुझे पायरेटेड कॉपीज ही मिली है. बट इफ यू गो टू सर्च अ लेटेस्ट बुक ऑन मीशो यू विल नॉट फाइंड इट, बिकॉज मेनली मीशो पर पायरेटेड बुक्स ही होती है और पायरेटेड कॉपीज उन्हीं बुक्स की होती है जो बहुत ज्यादा फेमस होती है. हर बुक की पायरेसी नहीं होती है एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई यू डोंट गेट ऑल द बुक्स ऑन मीशो. When I was in my 20s, I had seen the book stalls on the footpath for the first time and I heard the prices and I was so excited to buy them because I was student, so budget crunch. At that time, I have also bought the pirated copies. See, at that time, I didn't even know that pirated books या original books ऐसा कोई concept भी होता है. But now, when I am aware, I am absolutely against piracy, right? And so I want to tell you that you are in your phase of life, there's no judgment happening here, but whenever you can, do opt for only and only original books. If you have read any book from my recommendation, please let me know in the comments. And what should I talk about next? Let me know in the comments. Please like it, please share it, and please subscribe to our channel.